Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Friday, we touched on the merger of Lucid Motors and CCIV. A couple of days later, Investor Place touched on the merger crash. Today, I'm talking about the Lucid Motors stock crash while also breaking down the Investor Place article discussing the subject. In Friday's video, I'd mentioned I'd wait to buy after the merger. Unlike others, I'm not selling CCIV. I see long-term potential for the company. That being said, during the downward trend after the merger, I'll be buying along the way. I could see CCIV dipping into the $10 range before rebounding. What we have to remember is Lucid Motors shouldn't be considered the next Tesla. I think Lucid Motors is carving out a space in the electric vehicle industry that, if they succeed, could result in them being a major player in the industry. Another point touched on was selling stock and moving into other growth stocks. I touched on selling before, but taking profits and going into other growth stocks could be a smart move. On the contrary to my last point, selling during this time could be a smarter move for your money. In the coming weeks, CCIV/LCID will be moving downward or stagnant until we pick up momentum post-merger, transitioning into other growth names such as beat-down Chinese companies like Alibaba and Didi. We'll be sure to talk about those names in the coming weeks. Overall, Investor Place isn't far off in their judgment of the CCIV merger. They normally touch on Lucid Motors, and it's always interesting to hear others' opinions. Please don't take this as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.